Want to learn coding? Want to play games? Everybody likes games, but wanna develop it? Then subscribe to Shaurya's Code. Seriously. Fine. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shaurya's Code. This is me, Shaurya Srivastav. Hope you all are fine, and we are meeting after a long time. So as I said that I am going to start a Python tutorial from May. So here it is. So it will have parts. It will not be just in single video. So first let me explain you which app I am going to explain. So the name of the app is Ganesh Chaturthi. So I have already given that link of Ganesh Chaturthi video in the description, and it is also there in my channel. So please watch it. So today I will explain how I created it. So I created it on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi and I uploaded on that day. So first of all, I added tkinter, which is a library. So as I have told you before, Python is a case sensitive, which means a capital and a small letter has difference. So I am working on Spider platform, which is a part of Anaconda. I know Python and Anaconda snake names, but still. So tkinter is a library. From tkinter I am importing this stress, and then I am registering a window. So this window is stored from tk and the name is register window. So now you can see this register window. Now I am adding register window.geometry, which is 600 into 600. So basically 600 into 600, it's like when you try to get a table or a bed from a shop, you measure the width and the height, and then you say it like it is 50 into 70 like centimeters, like that. So this is 600 into 600. So the platform would be that big. So now the next is register.window.config bg equals to pink. Bg is background. So equals to pink, which is the background color would be pink. Let me show you how to do it. So that is like if you open an app, you see this picture, it is made of different colors. Now if you open another app like YouTube, you will see out of these videos the background has a white color. So it is made like that. So this will give it the pink color. If you want to see how it looks, you can see in the video of Ganesh Chaturthi which I have uploaded. I'm not going to show you how, like after running, how it looks, but I will tell you. From this button over here, you can see, let me highlight it. This button you see, wait a second, this one, by clicking on this it works. Means by clicking on this it starts running. So let me explain you to the next. First of all, let me show you. Yes. So after that is label equals to label register window, comma text equals to hi, please register the form below. Font equals to Arial 18 bold pink. So for this I have to explain you. So let me show you the video which I already made. So let me get to my channel. I am here at my channel, and now let me search for the videos. It's 100 plus and 200 plus subscriber video, 50 plus subscriber video. Yes, this Happy Ganesh Chaturthi video. So let me go front. You see pink background, and now first of all you see, wait a second, this is written, "Hi, please register the form below." So this is the part where we are writing it. See, "Hi, please register the form." So let me explain. Label is a variable where we are storing. This label shows the, not shows, it is a real label which puts the label in this, and then we are register window, which is like this window where this label will appear, then comma text. So we will write what text is in it. So I have written in quotation, "Hi, please register the form below." Then is font. The font will help to choose the font like in Word document. Let me explain you with the Word document. So in the Word document, you see here we can change the font same way. And after this is over here I have written Arial, which is the font, and then 18 is the font size, and bold. For bold, italic, we do write that. So this is bold. Then BG, which is background, equals to pink, so that it matches with the background of the register window, or else it would be white. FG, which is font gradient, which means font color, and it is black, so it will appear in black. Let's see how it appears. See, it is appearing in black, right? Now let me wait a second. Yes, so yeah, so we are going to the next part. The next part is label.place. It is to where I will place the label. Label.place rel x, which is like x position, and rel y, which is the y position. Anchor is center. Anchor means like everything should be aligned in center. If it wasn't anchor in center, wait a second, if it wasn't anchor in center, this would have appeared here if it was left, or here if it was right. And you see, it is for the x and y. X is this, like this, x, and y, this is the y. Now, why is placing important? So let me explain you. So when you go to your school, class, or office, you have to sit at a particular place. If you will sit at the floor or anywhere, it doesn't work, right? For concentration, you have to sit at one place so that it appears nice. If somebody is coming to visit your home, you will sit in one place. You will not move around. So for that, if we don't place this, first of all, it wouldn't look good. And second of all, like it would be here, there, up, down, we don't know. So, and then if it is like that, it would be messy. So, and what is x and y? So like this is x, which means horizontal line is x and y is vertical. So let's go to it again. So then anchor center, for center I told you. Now label username. This is another variable. You should know what is variable. It is used to store things. It's to label again. Label for inputting label. Register window. This will also appear in register window. Then text equal to username, call. Then background gradient is pink. So let me show you how this appears. You see this? Wait a minute. Let me highlight this part. This is for that thing. The next, but before this, something is problem. It is not yet aligned. Yes. So after we align it from username.place, which aligns rel x and rel y, anchor equal to center, so that it is in center. after this, I will enter this username entry. Entry is for a text input. What is a text input? Text input is this, which we can call text area too. We call it text input because we can type in it. We can type whatever we want and it is changeable. It is not like text because after text, it is text. If it is text, if we type, we can't change in the app, but we can type in it in entry. So it is in different forms. Sometimes text area, text input, entry, different places, different forms. So then we place it too. Placing is the most important thing. Then what is DEF welcome? What is DEF? DEF is basically nothing but button. Yes, button, not the shirt button. The button we click to work something. In a keyboard or when you play a game, there are different buttons which we control, right? So those, let me take example of famous game. Maybe Minecraft. Many of them has played it. So we use different X, we use build something, blocks, but how do they appear? We click on the block, then click on the ground, then on the So that is a button. So after clicking the button, it works. So let me show you how the button is. So this DEF welcome is not a button, it's a function. Many common mistakes happen, like DEF button is a DEF welcome is a function, button or function. This mistake happen. But DEF is different thing. It is function. It defines a function, and the name of the function is welcome. If we don't store it in button, we can also store it in a label or a text input. Yes. So that's for it today. I will soon upload the part 2. So please watch this video, like, comment, share and subscribe for the part 2. Thank you. And don't forget to be safe and healthy forever. And I know you all are waiting for part 2. So it will be here soon. Thank you. This is me, Shora Srivastava from Shora's Code. And goodbye.